Today we are making creamy mushroom pappardelle. Today we're making creamy garlic mushroom pappardelle. The lighting is terrible. I need a shave. I'm going to slice them like this. Little pieces. And if you want to get the skin off, a real easy way is to just do this. Then it comes out real easy. Chop. Fine. That's good. You have to do this for 10 cloves of garlic. A little bit of rest left. Now I know that looks like a lot of mushrooms, but it's all going to shrink down. There's at least 750 grams of brown mushrooms in there. I like to double up on the mushrooms because Mrs. Pot of Plenty loves her mushrooms. Delicious, it smells good. By the way, this takes about 7 minutes on about 80% power. 3 litres of water. This is the second 1.5 litres. Make sure we're covering the pasta. And it's 10 grams of salt per litre, so this is the second 15 grams of salt. This will be a lightly salted pasta. So after about 7 minutes, your mushrooms are going to start browning like that. You've got to keep turning them now until they're all browned, okay? We're getting very close to these mushrooms being done when you can do this and there's not too much liquid. Let's throw like pasta water in there. And a little bit of black pepper. You can turn the heat off now on the pasta. We've got 1 minute left on this. It's a little bit runny at the moment. Okay. Looks good, man. It's different to the other kind of pasta recipes, but let's see how it turns out. Could be good. Yeah. Have yourself a spoon there. Do your taste test.
Then the last one, but it's still very good. And the pasta's also quite nice. So I'm here for it.